Hello guys. Presenting. These shag haircut are popular, suitable, and perfect for boy and girls. The 70s haircut has already started setting its foot firmly in our modern world. You are going to love this new look of yours. 1. Tapered shag haircut for girls. They have a classic cut that in short hair has many layers that look totally cool girl. And black men have thick hair. However, a shag haircut can be embraced by them at any time. 3. Long shag haircut girls. This shag cut has a little wispy and sassy look. These cuts are a cool way to grow with the client's bob. 4. Long shag haircut men. This haircut is about developing layers that offer movement while also framing the face for a classic style. 5. Curly shag haircut girls. This shag haircut had no time condition. It was an evergreen, perfect shag haircut. 6. Curly shag haircut men. If you have naturally curly hair, you should not be discouraged from wearing a shag. 7. Modern shag haircut girls. It is appropriate for all lifestyles, but if you are a tussle, then these modern stag haircuts are ideal for you in low maintenance. 8.70s shag haircut girls. It has been represented as cool behavior and a modern look. You have to try the 70s swag haircut. 9. Girls short shag haircuts. Also focusing on your neckline. So, if you are looking for some awesome very short cuts, scroll down. 10. Short shag haircut men. Want to look cute like Zac Efron in High School Musical? Try this short shag haircut. 11. Girls medium shag haircut. Ladies styled with this haircut get this unbelievable ravishing look that you can't take your eyes off. 12. Medium shag haircut for boys. The best approach to achieve this look is to part your hair in the center, including your long bangs. 13. Pixie haircut for women. This modern wavy pixie is the most trendy and graceful haircut for women over 50s. An attractive and youthful look. 14. Pixie haircut for men. This can be your new go-to look. To get that sharpness in your hair, the edgy pixie is surely a try. I hope you choose a cute, cool, or suitable and eye-catching hairstyles. Like and subscribe the channel for more useful, more trending ideas. You can visit our page, thewarlanders.com. Thank you.